Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to deposit money from your US bank to Western Union in 2025. With all the new digital updates this year, sending money has never been easier or faster. Whether you're supporting family abroad or handling international payments, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have a verified US bank account. Think major players like Chase or Bank of America, and a linked Western Union account. This setup is key to avoiding any hiccups. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your bank's online portal or mobile app. Most banks now have user-friendly interfaces with enhanced security features for 2025. Step 2. Head over to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for options like Wire Transfer or International Deposit. If Western Union isn't directly listed, you might need to select a partner service. Double-check your bank's partnerships. Step 3. Enter the necessary details. You'll need the recipient's full name, their Western Union account number, the amount you're sending, and any required reference codes. In 2025, many banks use AI to autofill info, making this quicker. Step 4. Review the transaction carefully. Pay attention to fees, which have dropped thanks to new regulations, but they can still vary based on the amount and destination. Also, note the estimated processing time, often just minutes for domestic setups. Step 5. Confirm the transfer using your bank's security measures, like biometric verification or two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, you're good to go. The funds should appear in the Western Union account shortly. A quick tip: always use a secure internet connection to protect your data, and keep an eye on exchange rates if it's an international transfer. If anything goes wrong, contact your bank's customer support immediately. There you have it. Depositing money from your US bank to Western Union is straightforward with these steps. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.